Alright, so this time we're going to change the headlights, the HID lights on a Scion FRS. This is the release series, first edition 1.0. Beautiful car. We have some mods done to the vehicle, but other than that, we haven't done the HIDs. So let's get to it. Okay, so to remove this, it has a couple of clips in there. These ones right here. And this clip's attached to this part. Right here. I don't know if I can show you guys, but I'll show you the other bulb how to release it. It's kind of easy, but it's kind of tricky. You have to push these two ones right here. Okay, you can see this. You have to push those ones and move it sideways. Once you release that, you can pull the bulb out. Once the bulb is out, in this case, it's pretty easy to twist it. Let me show you. Okay, once we have the bulb out, you have to twist it and pull it, and that's it. So this is the original bulb. This is high and low beam with the same bulb. This is Osram, part number D4S. Can you see it? D4S 351 Synarch. These are actually HID, so it means that the ballast is already installed in this vehicle. You don't need to have another ballast for it. Basically just replace the bulb. These are super wide, so we're going to replace them with AK model. So what this is same white, but it's a little bit of bluish in there. So we don't need all these parts. So make sure you don't touch the actual bulb, the crystal, you don't touch that. It has to align these two knobs right here. Where should they go? They have to align there. Make sure the bulb is secure, and you put them back in there. Okay, another thing I want to mention is that once you install the bulb, make sure that this prong, this blue one, is facing down. As you notice, it's facing the wire of the car. That's to make sure that when the light is on, it's expanded evenly. Otherwise, you're going to see this prong, you're going to see a line in the middle of the light. You don't want to do that. So make sure it's aligned together. Alright guys, so this is kind of tricky. This, I don't know if you can see it, but this little prong, this little clip right there, it only holds the bulb. It doesn't hold this aluminum piece right here. So make sure once it's aligned in there, this metal holder goes in first. That holds the bulb. You have to push it in and move it to the center to lock it. It's kind of tricky, but let me show you how it is on the other side. See if you can see it. So it is up here. You push it, and you press inside like that. To lock it, you have to face outwards. And as you can see, it's only holding the bulb not this metal piece. Okay. Okay, so here it is after the installation. Too bad I can't show it, but that's high beam, low beam. That's low beam right there. Los LEDs. These are some fog lights. That's it.